Yo, I'm Navid and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another tutorial of actually one of the coolest graffiti text design that has been ever made. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this text style and apply it to your own text without any knowledge in Photoshop. Okay, this template has got a lot of layers, so you gotta need a lot of patience here. Okay, if you want to download this, first you can get this and hundreds of more other text effects in hyperpix.net. Okay, edit the main text and use the yellow layer and choose edit content. Okay, we got a new window here. We got a variety of layers. The first one is the main text. Okay, double click on it and write your own text. But have this in mind that you need to use the first and the ending letters capital, and the rest of them, the text in the middle, in the small letters. Okay, I'm gonna write what I'm writing here. We can customize it actually a little bit. I'm going to right click on it and choose warp, and in the bend option we can change the percentage of like the bending of the text. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, the second one is the gradient layer. As you can see, there's a gradient of color here. You can drag and drop it and also change the position of the gradient. Okay, we got a lot of crack layers. As you can see, there's a little bit of cracking this look in this text. So what you gotta do is to place them where you want them to be, and it gives you an ancient look and gives you like it's gonna be a good result. The last, choose the show transform control. As you can see, okay, you can place them where you want them to be, or also you can remove them, or you can use Alt Shift and duplicate them. I think it's good here. I think you got the gist of it. So let them be where they want, but if you want to do deactivate show, and if you want to save it, close it and choose yes. So it depends on your graphic system so that the result is visible to you. Boom! There it is, our style text here. Just astonishing actually. Okay, I think it's amazing, as you can see. Like, alright, super realistic actually, and is very ideal for text effects. Okay, as you can see, I think it's amazing actually. Okay, we got a dozen of layers here. I want to show you how this works. Let's go first to the FX layer and deactivate the extrusion layer. So this is going to turn off the 3D design so that we can boost up our speed. But at the end, we're going to activate it later. Okay, let's see about the details here. As you can see, everything is super detailed and high quality here. Okay, let's see how this works. First, let's go to adjustment. There is a bit of coloring adjustments here, some sort of contrast and coloring on our design. We can also unlock it and change them one by one. Okay, next one is smoke layer. It's not actually very visible. It helps to get a cinematic look. Okay, next folder is smoke, but this smoke is a little bit different. As you can see, this smoke gives you a very highlighting look, and you can, as you can see, you can place them and like move them around so you can fit it. I think it's good with the smoke layer, just a little bit locked. Next one is sparkles. We got a variety of sparkles in our design. I think you can see them. As you can see, yeah, right here. These small cube lightings, you can where they are. Okay, as you can see, these are cute little dots. You can put them at the edge of your texts or like at the corner, these smashed walls, as you can see. I think it's good here, but if you wanted to use this, don't forget to take your time and put them where they should be. Next one is main bomb. Okay, we got a big bomb here. As you can see, you can place it where you think is good, and also use Alt-Shift and drag it and duplicate it. Or use Command T on the Mac. You can move it where you want. Keep moving around until you think it's fit. All right. In the folder, we got a couple of options. As you can see, you can edit it and modify the shadows here. You can give it your own adjustments. Okay, next one is a second text. As you can see, it's very easy. You can actually double click on it and write whatever you want. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna say, there it is, types. Okay, super editable and easy to move. I'm gonna choose a sparkle. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about when I'm saying put the sparkles in the corners. Okay, we got second text here. Is yellow. But there's another drips here. You can also put it where you want. Third text is our little bit of text, as you can see, yellow color. Okay, double click on it and write whatever you want. But these two layers are drips of colors. Okay, we got a stone layer. They're categorized by 3 parts. Our designers putting a lot of time on it, and they put them categorized by their layers. But you can also move them around and duplicate them and remove them, resize them. Depends on your own taste. Okay, we got effects folder, as you can see here. Our effects is the main designs of our text style. We're going to do touch it. Next one is bombs. We got also 2 other bombs other than the main bomb. Okay, as you can see, just the same as the last one. It has options inside the folder. We can also move them around and change them. Okay, next one is background elements. There has been a lot of elements in this text design. As you can see, there is a highlight behind our main text. It gives a brightness. We got a couple of layers on it. Okay, next one is a smoke. Big smoke around. That gives you explosion vibe. Also, explosion folder here gives this is actually very exciting and gives you a super game-changing look. Okay, next one is particles. These are a lot of bomb particles that, as you can see, there it is, which gives a very exciting look. We got actually a raised layer, as you can see. This folder has a lot of layers that shows some sort of lighting here. Last one is background folder. In the background folder, we got sky. You can drag it. Even this is editable. You can also change its position. We got barbed wires here. You can turn it off, turn it on. We got the wall, cracks inside the wall. As you can see, there it is. Last one is wall collapse here. Just don't touch this one, and we're done with the layers. As you can see, it's got very detailed work, but very easy to customize for your own purposes. And finally, you can activate the extrusion layer and wait for the 3D design to kick in. There it is. Very nice. Actually, it's got a very attractive look. If you want to download this text effect, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and download all of our text effects. You can also get a lot of free text styles. All you gotta do is just hit there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. This is Navid Hyperpix.